Introduction: creating peace in the smallest spaces. A beautiful front yard does not require a large property or an expensive landscape design. Even the smallest outdoor area can become a calming retreat when inspired by minimalist Zen principles. Today, we'll explore how thoughtful design, natural materials, and simple landscaping techniques can transform an ordinary entrance into a peaceful sanctuary that welcomes both homeowners and guests with timeless elegance. The beauty of minimalism. Less decoration, more meaning. Minimalist gardens celebrate simplicity by removing unnecessary elements and allowing every feature to have a purpose. Instead of filling every corner with decorations, focus on clean lines, open space, and carefully selected plants. This balanced approach creates an atmosphere where every stone, shrub, and pathway contributes to a feeling of harmony rather than visual clutter. Designing a welcoming entrance. A path that invites calmness. The front entrance sets the emotional tone for the entire home. A straight or gently curved stepping stone pathway surrounded by fine gravel instantly creates an elegant Zen-inspired welcome. Keeping the design clean and symmetrical encourages visitors to slow down and appreciate the peaceful environment before reaching the front door. Natural stone as the foundation. Timeless texture and lasting beauty. Stone plays an essential role in minimalist garden design. Large stepping stones, natural boulders, or textured slate introduce character without overwhelming the landscape. Their neutral colors blend beautifully with greenery while offering durability that lasts for decades, making them one of the most valuable investments for a small front yard. Choosing the right plants. Greenery that brings serenity. A Zen-inspired front yard relies on carefully selected plants rather than large quantities of flowers. Compact ornamental grasses, dwarf pines, Japanese maples, bamboo varieties, moss, and evergreen shrubs create year-round beauty. Different leaf shapes and textures provide visual interest while maintaining a calm, sophisticated appearance throughout every season. Gravel and sand features. Simple elements with powerful impact. Fine gravel or decorative stone replaces traditional lawns in many minimalist gardens. Besides reducing maintenance, gravel creates clean visual contrast against plants and stone pathways. Light-colored gravel reflects natural sunlight beautifully, while darker stones add dramatic elegance and help define different functional areas within compact outdoor spaces. Creating balance with symmetry. The art of visual harmony. Balance is one of the defining characteristics of Zen landscapes. While perfect symmetry is not always necessary, visual equilibrium creates comfort for the eyes. Pairing similar plants, evenly spacing stepping stones, and maintaining proportional layouts allows even tiny front yards to feel organized, spacious, and intentionally designed. Warmth of wood. Natural materials that soften modern design. Wood introduces warmth to minimalist gardens without disrupting their clean appearance. Wooden fences, vertical slat screens, benches, or entry gates complement natural stone while adding texture and depth. Choosing weather-resistant timber with natural finishes helps preserve the authentic, calming atmosphere that defines contemporary Zen landscaping. Gentle water features. The sound of relaxation. If space allows, a small water feature can completely transform the mood of a front yard. A compact stone fountain or bamboo waterspout introduces gentle sounds that mask street noise and encourage relaxation. Even the smallest water element adds movement, reflection, and tranquility to the surrounding landscape. Soft outdoor lighting. Illuminating peace after sunset. Lighting extends the beauty of a Zen garden into the evening hours. Low-voltage pathway lights, recessed ground lighting, or warm LED lanterns softly illuminate walkways and focal plants. Rather than creating dramatic brightness, the goal is subtle illumination that enhances textures and creates a welcoming nighttime ambience. Functional seating areas. A quiet place to pause. Even a tiny front yard can include a small seating area. A simple wooden bench placed beside ornamental grasses or beneath a small tree offers a peaceful place to enjoy fresh morning air. Minimal furniture keeps the space uncluttered while adding functionality and inviting moments of quiet reflection. Privacy through smart design. Creating calm without closing the space. Privacy does not require tall walls or heavy barriers. Slim wooden screens, neatly trimmed hedges, or clusters of bamboo provide gentle separation from neighboring properties while preserving openness. These natural boundaries maintain airflow and sunlight while creating a comfortable sense of personal space. Seasonal beauty. A garden that changes gracefully. Minimalist gardens evolve with every season. Fresh spring leaves, vibrant summer greenery, colorful autumn foliage, and sculptural winter branches each contribute unique beauty. Selecting plants with year-round interest ensures the front yard remains attractive without requiring constant redesign or excessive seasonal decoration. Easy maintenance solutions. Beauty that doesn't demand constant work. One of the greatest advantages of minimalist landscaping is its simplicity to maintain. Ground covers replace demanding lawns, evergreen plants reduce seasonal pruning, and gravel minimizes weed growth. Choosing slow-growing shrubs and durable hardscape materials allows homeowners to spend more time enjoying the garden than maintaining it. Sustainable garden choices. Eco-friendly design for modern living. Sustainability naturally complements minimalist design. Native plants require less water, permeable gravel improves rainwater absorption, and reclaimed wood reduces environmental impact. Efficient irrigation systems and drought-tolerant landscaping create gardens that are both environmentally responsible and visually appealing throughout the year. Decorative accents with purpose. Meaningful details instead of excess. Minimalist gardens avoid excessive decoration, but carefully chosen accents can enhance the overall atmosphere. A single stone lantern, handcrafted ceramic planter, sculptural rock arrangement, or elegant wooden gate becomes a focal point that adds personality without distracting from the garden's peaceful simplicity. Bringing everything together. A front yard that reflects inner peace. The most successful Zen front yards combine natural materials, balanced layouts, restrained planting, and thoughtful details into one cohesive composition. Every element works together to create a relaxing environment where simplicity becomes the greatest luxury. Even the smallest outdoor space can inspire calmness through intentional design. Conclusion. Finding serenity right outside your door. A minimalist Zen front yard proves that tranquility is not measured by square footage but by thoughtful design. Through clean pathways, carefully selected plants, natural textures, and balanced composition, tiny outdoor spaces can become beautiful places of relaxation and inspiration. Whether you're planning a complete makeover or making small improvements, embracing simplicity can transform your home's entrance into a peaceful retreat that offers lasting beauty every single day.